Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to hide your follower numbers on a Snapchat public profile, right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and go to the top left and tap on your profile. Or if you have a story, just tap on this story, right? Now you'll be landed to your profile. So what we're going to do in here is just tap on public profile, okay? Now once you're in here, go to the top and here we have the pen icon. Just tap on it. Now go ahead and disable show follower count. All right, tap on it and make sure that it is set to gray. And once done, you're good to go. Another option, if you can't see this option in here, just go ahead over to the gear icon. And you should be able to see an option right here to disable your follower count. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.